Well, welcome back, everyone, and good morning, or excuse me, should I say good afternoon on this beautiful Wednesday. It's going to be a hot one, and it's already hot out there. I'm Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Jaden Knowles, and thank you so much for joining in. Let's go ahead and take a look outside, and as I mentioned, temperatures are already warming up to some places, the triple digits. We're at 99 degrees right here at 9 News Studios in our backyard, and that just tells you how warm it is. It's 2 p.m. and we're not done warming up. The forecast, the high that I have is 101, but so far, looking at current temperatures, really just across the foothills and parts of the Front Range and the Eastern Plains, you can see already some triple digits out there. 101 in Greeley, 100 in Fort Collins, 99 in Firestone, 100 in Boulder right now, and like I mentioned, we're still warming up. Only 2 p.m. is our current time. So if we take a look at your weather impact alert, that's for today. That goes really until about 9 p.m. this evening. Because of those hot temperatures and overnight lows only until the low 70s, we're not really expecting the cool overnight lows. You know, sometimes I know that you can leave the windows open if you don't have any air conditioner, but tonight is going to be one of those nights where we're expecting still a warm and kind of a breezy night. So limit time outdoors, and of course drink plenty of water today, especially if you plan on being outside this evening even due to the warm temperatures. So once again, the forecast, the high for today will be 101, and the record is actually 100, which was set back in 2022, and I think we'll be on pace to break that record today. 101 is what I have forecasted here in Denver, 102 in Greeley, and also 103 over in Grand Junction. Just a hot day all across the entire state. There might be a couple of stray showers trying to form, but overall, I do think it'll be too warm here at the surface to have any storms form here in the metro area at least. There's that heat advisory that does go until about 9 p.m. this evening. Some temps could be up to 101 degrees. So as I mentioned, talking about those isolated storms, you can see towards the Eastern Plains, kind of near the I-70 corridor, just west of Burlington. There's a pop-up thunderstorm there, but it's dying down rather quickly. With that, you want to watch for some gusty winds, as we saw that the last couple of days here in the metro area with those dying thunderstorms, and that's when we can get those kind of microbursts. But overall, we're mostly clear across most parts of the state, and I think that should stay with us as we head into the evening hours. But our next change in weather pattern will come as we head into tomorrow, mainly tomorrow evening, as we do have a cold front making its way through. That's going to give us our next rain chances, as well as some relief from this heat that we're seeing this afternoon. Tomorrow's high, not as warm as what we're seeing today, but still pretty warm, 94 degrees, and we will be tracking maybe about 30% chance for some more gusty storms here in the metro area. Your forecast highs across the state tomorrow, as I mentioned, still a pretty warm day, but not as warm as what we're seeing today. Only the upper 90s for the western slope, then 96 over towards Fort Morgan. So the timing when you can expect these storms to start to form will mainly become after 1 p.m. and lasting till about 6 p.m. Some of these storms have the potential of becoming severe, especially out towards the Eastern Plains. Here in the metro area, we're still watching for those gusty storms, kind of similar to what we saw yesterday and the day before that. So with the storms tomorrow, the severe thunderstorm risk, we do have that level 1 risk, including the metro area, and then level 2 for the Eastern Plains tomorrow afternoon. As we head into Friday, another storm day, we have large hail and damaging winds possible behind that cold front that we'll see late Thursday night into early Friday morning. So Friday looks to be the best day for storms here in the metro area. The Eastern Plains will see better chances tomorrow afternoon. The rest of your 7-day forecast, hot today, hot tomorrow, but then behind that cold front, we see the cooler temperatures with 85 degrees on Friday, and of course storms expected throughout most parts of the day. We start to dry up as we head into the weekend on Saturday, but still seeing the cool temperatures with the upper 80s, and then of course gradually climbing back up to the low 90s as we head into Sunday and Monday up to next week. So, I mean, overall, I hope everyone has a terrific day today. We're not going to have the much humidity as what Texas usually does. But here's the crazy thing about it. The DFW Metroplex still has not seen a triple digit this year. Usually on average, they see 100 degrees July 1st. They still haven't hit that. Today in Colorado, we've seen triple digits, and we're expected to see that here in Denver. And so that means it's hotter in Colorado than it is in Texas. I thought I was escaping the heat when I was leaving from Texas, but you know, it's okay though. It's okay. I'm glad that everyone tuned in. Of course, stay weather aware throughout the heat today. Stay hydrated. And of course, thank you so much for joining in. I'm Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Jaden Knowles.